Now let us solve this form binary tree program. So size, which represents the number of elements in the array, and the array are passed as the arguments to this function. Finally, we must return the pointer to the root node. So the node pointer, the structure is given here. So it has int data, which represents the value, and two more struct node pointers left and right. So now we have to populate the values in such a way that root node is pointing to left, right, and in turn the left, right nodes are pointing to their children respectively. So let us start. So first let us say we are going to create a function called insert node. Okay. So let's say we are going to have one more function which will say struct node pointer insert node. So this will accept the index value of the element. So we will say int index, and it will also accept a node pointer which is the parent node pointer. Okay. So we'll say struct node pointer node. So this node represents the parent node, and we will also give the array as the input, because using the index we have to retrieve the value from the array. So now we have to invoke this function somehow. So what will be the index to start with? Root node is at index 0. So int index is equal to 0. Then we will say struct node pointer root equal to null, because we have not initialized it so far. So now what will we do? We will invoke this insert node function. So what is the index value? It is 0. So index, anyway we have initialized it. Okay. So index comma the struct pointer, currently it is root, which is null, and then we are passing the array. So we are invoking this insert node only once, just for the root alone. So this insert node must recursively populate all the nodes under the root. So after it populates, we will say return root. So here we can avoid this index also by simply saying 0, because anyway it is 0. So one line reduced. So now we have to implement this insert node. So what will it do? For the index whatever is coming, we have to check if index is less than the size of the array, because the size must be valid. But we have not obtained the size as argument. So we will have one more int size also. Okay, we have to accept that also. So here too we have to pass the size as the argument, because we need to check whatever the index is coming is less than size, otherwise it will go out of bounds. So if index less than size, then that node is valid. So we will say this node pointer, okay, node equal to, we will invoke another function called create node. So create node, we will just pass the value. So what is the value? Array of index. So let us complete the create node function. So create node will just return the struct node pointer after creating a new node. So create node int val. So here we are going to say struct node pointer node, or we will say new node, because anyway a new node is initialized. We will typecast it to struct node pointer, and we will use malloc. So size of the struct, okay, struct node. So now this new node we have to set the value. So the variable is int data here given in the program. So new node data equal to val, and the new node left will be null. Okay, so left equal to new node right equal to null, because we are not initialized. That will be initialized here in the insert node. So if the index is valid, we are creating a node, and then the left pointer and the right pointer will be null. So here what should you do? We should populate the left and the right nodes. Already we saw in the discussion that the left node will be at 2i plus 1, where I is the index. So we will say node left equal to insert node. You should not say create node, because only insert node will invoke recursively and populate all the children. So what is the index value? It is 2 into index plus 1, and size it will not change. And what is the node? Node is nothing but node left. It will be null, okay, but if it is a valid one, it will initialize the value, and then we have to pass the array also. So how will you initialize the right node? Node right equal to insert node. So here what will be the value? 2 into index plus 2, we saw in the discussion, and then the remaining will be same size. Only thing is here you should say node right array. So when invoking recursively, this function again will check if index is less than size, only then it will create, otherwise it will not create. Okay. So here finally after that you are returning the node pointer. So if the index is out of bounds, it is simple. Whatever the node which comes, null will be returned and it will not be initialized. So here in our function we have to return this new node. Okay. New node. That's it. Our program is complete. So now let us execute the program. The code has not passed. So in the pre-order traversal, we are expecting this output, but our output is none, because nothing is printed. So let us look at this code. Okay, here the mistake we have done is, this insert node will return the struct node pointer, but we are not assigning it to root. See, here we have assigned node.left is equal to left, so this is fine. But here we are not assigning whatever returned to the root. So now let us execute the program. Because whatever is returned, we must assign it to the root. So now our code has passed. So based on a discussion, please solve the program.